tried the MAKIAGE foundation, I think that's how you say it, but I've been seeing a lot of ads on Instagram for this foundation, and I actually really loved it. I don't use foundation, I usually just stick with a tinted moisturizer. I love the NARS one. That's like my everyday thing. Never really wear foundation, but this one's really lightweight. Not too matte, but also not too dewy. So on this brand's website, they have a quiz that you take, and they ask you a couple questions about your skin, and then they formulate a shade for you, which I think is really cool because I feel like the shade matched perfectly, and all I did was answer a couple questions. This is one of the products I received in my IPSY box this month. It is from The Balm Cosmetics, and it's a blush, highlighter, bronzer palette. Right now I'm taking the blush and applying it to my cheekbones and applying it in an upward-outwards motion. Now I'm taking the bronzer and kind of just going right under and kind of over where I put my blush, because that's what I like to do to kind of make it blend better and look natural. I also like to take the bronzer up on my forehead to kind of give it that natural sun-kissed tan that we usually get when we're out in the sun, even though there hasn't been much sun in LA lately, but we can fake it. And lastly, I'm applying highlighter to the highest points of my cheekbone. When doing my brows, I always start with brushing them upwards to give it that natural bushy look and to kind of have the baseline of where we're going to start. Next, I'm applying brow powder with an angled brush and kind of filling in the outer edge of my brow where I want it to be darker and more defined. Now I'm going to lightly fill in the inner corner and kind of just stick to the bottom in the inner corner and then rise up to the top right corner of my eyebrow. Then just brush it out to make it look natural. Lastly, I'm taking this highlighter concealer brow pencil from Billion Dollar Brows and use the concealer side to highlight my brow bone. And of course, blend it out. To add some life to my lids, I'm adding this metallic sparkle cream eyeshadow and kind of just dabbing it on my eyes. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this voiceover type video. Let me know down in the comments what other content you'd like to see from me, and thanks for tuning in.